This is the unboxing of the Q7F. We have a 65-inch model and a 75-inch model. This is the 75-inch. This is the 65-inch. Both come with the Connect One box, as well as the manual, power cable, remote, batteries included, and then a tabletop stand should you choose to go that route. We're going to be wall mounting these today, here on this wall and on this wall, down here in downtown Dallas. I'll show you once we get it up on the wall. This is the Q7 installed on the wall with the Denon Hios home cinema soundbar. Installation turned out very nicely. Gives a nice and clean look. We just put the Connect box up behind the TV. You can see right there. And then in the other room, the TV actually wasn't big enough to house the Connect box, so we put it on top of the console here. Everything ran down through the wall nice and clean with that fiber cable. Hope you guys found this video informative. For purchasing, feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email. Thanks for watching. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater.